Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen roll. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of cooked ramen noodles, 2 sheets of nori seaweed, and your preferred fillings. Think about thinly sliced chicken, crisp cucumber, or a perfectly cooked soft-boiled egg. Make sure your noodles are cooled and lightly seasoned. This helps them hold their shape better when rolling. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our main components. Cook your ramen noodles according to package directions, aiming for an al dente texture. Then rinse them with cold water and let them cool completely. This prevents them from becoming sticky. Next, slice your chosen fillings into thin, manageable strips, about 1/4 inch thick. Uniformity helps with even distribution in the roll. Finally, gently toss your cooled noodles with a teaspoon of sesame oil or a dash of soy sauce for flavor. It's time for the fun part, rolling. Place a nori sheet on your bamboo rolling mat, shiny side down. Spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned ramen noodles over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange your prepared fillings horizontally across the center of the noodle layer. Now, using the mat, carefully roll the nori and noodles tightly away from you. Moisten the top edge with a few drops of water to seal the roll securely. Almost done. To get clean, beautiful slices, use a very sharp knife that you've dampened slightly with water. Carefully cut the ramen roll into 1-inch thick pieces. It's helpful to wipe your knife blade clean between each cut to prevent sticking and ensure neat, presentable slices. Arrange your freshly cut ramen rolls on a platter. They are perfect served immediately with a side of soy sauce or your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade ramen rolls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.